You probably use gold every day, and never even notice. Hidden inside your phone, your computer, and even the servers that power the internet, there are tiny flecks of this precious metal quietly making our digital world work. But what if you could actually recover that gold? And could small-scale extractors ever compete with the tech giants and industrial recyclers? Let's dig into the secret life of gold in electronics, and find out if e-waste recovery is truly worth its weight. Gold isn't in your gadgets by accident. Unlike copper or silver, gold doesn't tarnish or corrode, making it perfect for the tiny, high-speed contacts inside CPUs, RAM fingers, and server connectors. Its unmatched conductivity and reliability mean that just a microscopic layer can ensure a stable connection, even after years of use. Visuals zoom in on a circuit board, highlighting gold-plated pins and edge connectors, while animated overlays show data flowing across golden pathways. So how do big players actually get that gold back? Industrial recovery starts with tons of shredded e-waste, where machines separate out high-value components. Through a mix of mechanical and chemical processes, far too dangerous and complex for a home setup, they isolate and refine the gold, melting it down into bullion. Animated diagrams break down this journey, while a value counter tallies up the recovered gold versus the mountains of starting material. The numbers? A single ton of circuit boards might yield just a few grams of gold, making large-scale operations the only way to break even. But is it profitable? For hobbyists, the answer is almost always no. The time, risk, and equipment costs quickly outweigh the tiny returns. Industrial recyclers, on the other hand, rely on scale, automation, and strict safety controls to make it viable, though the margins are slim, and the environmental costs can be steep. Recovery generates hazardous waste, and only the most advanced facilities can manage the environmental impact responsibly. So next time you toss out an old phone, remember, your e-waste is packed with hidden value, but unlocking it safely is a job best left to the professionals. If you found this breakdown useful, consider subscribing to learn more about the hidden science all around us.